Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to clean your throttle body on a 2003 Honda Pilot. If you thought this video was helpful, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. So why you would do this is because your pedal gets sticky when you push the gas pedal down, so this is why you want to clean the actual throttle body because there's a lot of carbon stuck on it. So the first thing you want to do is take off this cover. There's 4 bolts, so go ahead and take that off. And then take off the 4 bolts that hold the air box in place. So 1, 2, and then 3 and 4 on the other side. Sorry, you can't really see them, but you know they're there. So there's the 4th one. And then go ahead and take off this hose clamp. So just unscrew it with your socket wrench. Take off this clip for this cable. And then take out this hose. So basically you want to squeeze that hose clamp and then pull that actual pipe out. And then you can move the intake tube enough and to get to the throttle body and don't drop your hose clamp like me. So see how it's all black in there and stuff? That's what we want to clean off. So go ahead and take your carb cleaner and spray it all up in there while you have the throttle body open. So sorry, it's kind of hard to see, but my thumb is holding the throttle body open. So spray the carb cleaner all up in there. And then what you want to do is take a toothbrush or some sort of heavy brush and brush in there. And that's going to actually get the carbon off of the throttle plate and on the throttle body. So go ahead and brush everywhere in there, all around the tube and on the actual plate itself. Make sure you get both sides of the plate, and you want to get the edges of the plate too, because that's kind of what ends up sticking to the carbon sticks to the plate edges. So once you've done that, go ahead and spray more carb cleaner in there. That way you can clean it out. And then go ahead and take a paper towel, wipe it off if you want. And just a note, when you start the car the first time, it's gonna struggle to start because there's all this carb cleaner in there. So don't just hold the key a little bit longer, and it should turn over. Then everything else is in reverse order. So go ahead and put your intake tube back on. And don't be an idiot like me. Put your hose clamp on the right way. So I had it on backwards, so I had to do this part over again. So go ahead and put it on, wiggle it into place, and then go ahead and set your air box down, flat onto the right place. Go ahead and put this tube back in there, squeeze the hose clamp and put the tube back in. And then go ahead and tighten your hose clamp that, connects the air box to the throttle body. And then go ahead and put the 4 airbox screws back on. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then just put this cable back in, clip it back in, and that's basically it. One more thing, go ahead and put your cover back on, the 4 screws, and then you're done. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.